If you got used to using the escape key to log into your Squarespace website, you may have noticed recently that that stopped working. I was a huge fan of this feature. It was so easy just to go to a website, hit escape on any page that you were on that website, and it would log you in. They said something like escape was used to exit something, not enter something, so they did away with it. Not crazy about it, but the new way to quickly get into your website is to go to your website and type in /config. And if you haven't officially logged out of your website, it will log you in the same way the escape key would. The other thing you can do is go to account.squarespace.com, and that will log you in and show you any and all websites that you have under your account. So yeah, I'm sad that the escape key feature is gone, but this is how you quickly get into your site now. Go to your URL, add /config to the end of it, and here you go.